If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now if you're watching this video, I am assuming that you are thinking about joining a network marketing opportunity, or you just want to know more about network marketing. All right, so in my experience with network marketing, I have learned a lot of things and I want to share them with you right now. All right, 5 things that you must know. All right, the first thing, all right, that you must know is, despite what people say, despite all the rumors and the haters, there are a lot of people who are making money from network marketing. All right, because I know between the haters and even marketing, whatever, you hear about like 95%, what I'm saying, of people fail with network marketing and this and that. And that's true. A lot of people fail, but a lot of people try. All right, so that 5%, right, of people who are successful, with network marketing, that's a lot of people. Like, no one ever talks about that. It's thousands upon thousands of people are actually making money with network marketing. So do not feel like, oh, like this is gonna be really, really tough to make money with, because everybody say it's not possible, but it is possible. The second thing that you must know about network marketing is people quit a lot. All right, and I think that just comes from people jump into these opportunities very quickly, and then it's not what they thought it was, so people quit. A lot of times people quit because they get like false false goals. I don't know the right phrase for it, but they'll hop in expecting to make $10,000 in a month, right? A lot of people hop in like that, and once they don't see it, they done. Right? And the only reason, in my opinion, why so many people quit is because of that. They get in, and I don't know who they was talking to, but they don't give these opportunities a real chance, and they quit. Especially when it comes to like, oh, well, you gotta market this business, or you gotta actually buy products. A lot of these network marketing companies, they still have it where you have to buy, a certain amount of products every month to stay active. And what happens is, once again, either the person is discouraged because they're not making any money, or they can no longer afford to stay in the network marketing company. All right. So with that being said, a lot of people quit. So network marketing does have a high turnover rate, which is a damn shame. Now, a third thing that you must know about network marketing before getting started is you do not have to recruit online. All right. Now, I know in this day and age, it's all about like social media. It's all about using YouTube, right? It's all about, Facebook marketing, attraction marketing, and TikTok and Instagram reels. So a lot of people, they feel like that's the only way they could be successful with network marketing is by, being on social media. And a lot of people, they like the idea of network marketing. They're motivated by it. They want to be successful, but they're just not online people. They just don't like the internet for whatever reason, right? And that's all good, because you can be extremely successful in network marketing by just doing offline stuff, right? You can still go to vendor events, which is popular everywhere, right? Vendor events, you can do things like get your business cards, get flyers created, try to do deals with different, local stores and local shops and diners, whatever, where you can advertise, right? You can still put up flyers in grocery stores and just be creative, right? You can do, car magnets and all kinds of stuff you can do that don't involve the internet, right? So if you're thinking about joining network marketing and you're discouraged by not wanting to be online, you don't gotta be online to be successful. Now, the fourth thing that you must know about network marketing is that it's gonna take time, all right? It's going to take time for you to reach those goals, those financial goals that you probably had right? When you signed up for this opportunity, most people that join network marketing, they don't join it to earn an extra $50 a month. They don't join it to break even every month. Most people that join a network marketing opportunity, they got those big goals, right? They on that, man, I want to earn $5,000 a month. I want to hit $20,000 a month, right? A lot of these companies have all these rankings and gold and diamond and legend and superior, whatever, right? So most people, when they join these opportunities, right, they're like, yo, I want to be at the top of the game. Nobody joining it just to join. You know what I'm saying? People join it because they want that money, right? They want that success. But in most cases, that's going to take some time. So what I tell people is, if you get into, there's two ways to look at it, right? If you are just joining a network marketing company, right, and you kind of like, I like it, it's cool, you know what I'm saying? I just want to get in the game, right? I'm just going to check this out, try this out. At least give it a damn year. One solid year, no matter what company it is. If it's a company that you kind of just like, I'm kind of feeling it, sort of, don't care. If you sign up, put your email in and you sign up and you, you pay your fee or whatever it is, automatically commit, right, to 1 year and just see what happens, right? 1 year. Now, if there's a company out there that you really rock with, you confident went, you in it for the long term, you really believe in this company, you just getting started in it, like, go into it like, I'm going to get this 3 to 5 years to hit my superior rank or whatever it is, right? Or I want to hit $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month. Go into it like 3 to 5. So companies you kind of iffy about, 1 year. 1 year. Companies that you all in, you feeling it, you believe in it, 3 to 5 years dedicated. All right. And if you do that, I am very confident that you're going to achieve your financial goals and get that success that you want. The fifth thing that you must know about network marketing is the game is changing, and it's actually changing for the better. I mean, the days of having to come into a network marketing company where you have to pay all this money, hundreds of dollars to get started, the days of having to buy products, $50 to $100 a month on products that you really don't even use or you kind of don't even like, days of all of these crazy, unattainable ranks and complicated compensation plans, like, they come into an end. So if you want to see one of the companies that is changing the game when it comes to network marketing, you need to check out that first link in the description.